Are you frustrated? Is your computer running slow, full of irritating pop-ups? Don't know what to update? Well, frustration will become your reason, not your excuse. Here, at Geeks Not Needed, are some of the excuses not needed. I'm too young. I'm too old. I'm just a computer illiterate. I'm unteachable. Well, at Geeks Not Needed, we build confidence through competence. In our very popular User Basics training class, we'll teach you not only how to maintain your computer, but how to master its basic techniques by fixing those annoying problems that are so common on today's internet. You'll control your computer rather than it controlling you. We provide a 2-hour hands-on class in a relaxed, informal setting. We focus on individual attention by limiting our class size to just 4 students per session. You'll surpass your own expectations, we guarantee it. Classes are scheduled Wednesdays from 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and Saturdays from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Simply complete the enrollment form below, and after submitting your information, click on the PayPal button to complete your registration. You will be contacted by your instructor to outline the class and answer any questions you may have. Then, relax, and we'll see you at the training.